Welcome to What is Analysis. In this video, we're basically gonna look at what you can do and what are the basic options are with a WAMP server. So for this, you would basically just go on your icon list, and you could have a little green or red icon like this WAMP server. And in here, you basically have some um, basic options. The Apache version that you currently have, uh, services that are currently installed, the models. This will basically be important if you do more web development or other things. For SQL directly, it's unless you have some very specific need, it's not really important. Alias directories, this again is not going to be what you're going to be mainly interested in. PHP, the version, PHP settings, and the extensions that you have. The reason why we're even looking into this is because we're actually going to connect to a database like MS SQL. There's a PHP extension for it and for some other things. If you want to do some more configuration, go into PHP .ini file, and you can basically mess around with it until you're basically to your heart's content. But don't change it unless you actually know what you're doing, because you'll probably need to reinstall it if you do. And here, what we have is basically what we're going to be most interested in: the MySQL database, the version of it. The service you want to start it, close it, MySQL console. This is basically if you want to have fun with by doing it console style. This is not really my cup of tea. Really, you can do it. It's just it works. It's just use a notepad unless you really know what you're doing, and if you want to basically copy paste most of your scripts that you're gonna create. So that's basically here. The only thing you'll need is basically start all the services or restart them depending if there's a bug or anything, and then go to phpMyAdmin. This localhost, it's basically running on your computer. And here you'll basically have a visualization with a dashboard of how the database is actually configured and what you get. In the next video, we're gonna dive into a little bit more into an existing table.